Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something different on my channel. I know I look like shit, but it's freaking hot in here. But I did her hair like probably like a month ago. She did want it like a balayage, kind of like blonde, like ombre-ish kind of look. But she did have black on her hair, so I told her to go by stages. So this is what came out the first time. So today we're just gonna correct this color. Again, it's been like a month since last time we did your hair, right? Yeah. So we're just gonna correct it now. Before y'all come at me, I know what the fuck I'm doing. I did study hair. I did go to beauty school back in 2012. I did graduate, so I know what the hell I'm doing. So you better not correct me in the comment section. Okay? So for bleach, we're gonna be using L'Oreal Quick Blue. This is like the best of the best. You guys could use Olaplex, but I'm a broke bitch. Ain't nobody got time for no Olaplex. You can see your face. It is freaking hot in here. We're sweating. And for developer, we're using Clairol. We bought all this at Sally's. And then I already mixed my bleach. Like, I'm gonna be going right now. I'm gonna drape her because obviously it's very important you drape your clients. Make sure you drape your clients. So if you guys want to see this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel again and hit that ring notification bell down below to get notified when I upload new videos. YouTube's going through some stupid shit right now, so you better do that. Well, let's get to the video. Bye guys. So this is what you get when you tell your friend to model her hair. Obviously this is her way of modeling. So here I'm just showing you the way her hair looks before I start putting the bleach on it. As you guys can tell, it does have like that reddish tone because she did have a lot of black. And here I'm just going to drape her, obviously, because I am going to be using bleach. If I was you, I would drape your client. Make sure you do drape your client right, just so you won't put any chemicals on her skin or her body, or you won't damage her clothing. Here I'm just going to grab a rat tail comb and just section her hair in 4 pieces, which is just the sides and the 2 back parts. I only section the hair in 4 just because it's easier on me. But if you do want a seamless blend, you could section it in 6 pieces and it will be easier and it will be a more of a natural blend. But just because I could do the blending on my own, I'm just going to section the hair in 4, and then obviously I'm going to do a part in the bottom where I'm going to be applying the bleach. As you guys can tell, I did redid one. I just got a piece of foil and then put a little bit of bleach on it just so the hair could stick on it. And I'm going to be saturating the ends first and then slowly turning my brush to the side as a straight line. As you guys can tell, the brush are very thin, and I'm just going to be blending it towards the root. Not so high because she does want that dark root. And here, as you can tell, I am teasing the root of her hair just so when the teasing comes off when you wash her hair, there will be more of a natural blend from the bleach. It won't be just like a straight line. Obviously, you do have to blend it with the brush more just so it could be more like a balayage or like ombre effect. For it can look more like highlights and not so much a line of demarcation. I'm just going to be finishing this all over the back side of the hair. As you guys can tell, I'm teasing the roots and then applying the bleach all over the hair. I do saturate the ends a lot, and then once I go higher, I do blend slowly and slowly. I don't just put like a line of demarcation just because the blending won't be as cute. You do want this to blend into the root, not be such like a dramatic line. As you guys can tell, I did grab that last section which is on the crown of the head. I am teasing the root again. You do want to very pay attention to this part because this is the part you're going to actually see compared to all the rest of the hair. So the blending on this part does have to be very seamless. You don't want a dramatic line. So what I do recommend when doing this part is applying all the bleach like on an angle effect, just so it can blend more and it look more like highlights and not so much just a blunt bleach stain. So I'm just going to finish the rest of the head with the bleach, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. So once I'm done with the bleach on all the head, I did end up washing the hair, and I did put a toner. I will put the picture on the screen, and I did leave a mask on her hair just so I could restore her hair back because I did use bleach. So right here, I'm just going to trim her ends because she did want her hair trimmed. I'm just trimming like an inch off her hair. I am just stretching the hair down and then just cutting straight because she does like more of a blunt cut. You guys do want a more in-depth hair cutting tutorial, just leave a comment down below and I will do that for you gladly. Just let me know what style do you guys want and I will show you with all my power if I can. I'm just going to be doing this all over her head, the same length. She does like that blunt cut like I said, but once I get to the top of the hair, which is the side part, I do like to do a little bit of layering. As you guys are going to be able to tell here, as I'm lifting her hair just to create those layers on the front. Here, I'm just going to be blow drying her hair just to smooth out her hair and to relax that cuticle because we did process her hair. So you will have like a lot of flyaways, but doing this will smooth out your hair and then look a little bit more shinier, if you will. Obviously, you do have to take care of your hair after you do process it with any hair color. It doesn't matter if it's a bleach or just regular hair dyes. I'm saying this right now and I will always say it. I do not recommend box colors from Target or Walmart. I recommend going to Sally's and obviously mixing everything on your own. So I'm grabbing my favorite curling, which is my 1-inch Conair curling iron, which is my favorite. I've used so many curling irons in my life and I pretty much end up going back to this one. I just love the way it smooths the hair and it curls. I'm just going to be giving her like little curls. I know it doesn't look pretty right now, but once I'm done curling the entire hair, I will come back and I'll tell you guys what I will be doing. So once I'm done with curling all my hair, well, not my hair, my friend's hair, I will obviously put the hot rod, the curling iron down, and I'm just going to be running my fingers through it and then going back and curling the sections that need a little bit more curling, and then I will run my finger through it. This will just give you like a beachy wave effect, not just so much like a tight curl. And obviously I love me some beachy waves. I always do them on my hair. And this is the way it looks. Well guys, we are done with the hair. This is the way it looks. She did want it more like a warmer, like ombre effect, like Balayage effect. And you guys did see in the previous video, not previous, at the beginning of the video, it was more like a darker red because she did have black in her hair. I did ask her if she had black in her hair and she said no. But yeah, so we are going to be doing it in stages. I'm pretty sure she's going to want to go lighter than this, but this is the next stage that we were able to lift it. I do recommend lifting your hair if you do have black in your hair. Lift your hair by stages. Don't go straight to like platinum blonde because that will create breakage and your hair could start like falling off in chunks because you are going to be using bleach, obviously. So after the bleach, obviously I did wash your hair, and then I did put a toner. I used a Wella Toner. I will leave the name down below. This is the Color Charm Wella Permanent Liquid Hair Toner in the shade T14, which is Pale Ash Blonde. I will leave everything down below, everything I used on her hair. So this is the way it looks. I did cut it as well. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it in the video as well. As you guys could tell, it's more like a warmer color. And I did layer the front when I cut it. Not the back, just the front. Just because she does like more of a blunt cut. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then leave me comments down below. Obviously hit that like button to see if you guys are watching. And obviously don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And again, I will leave all the products down below. And also all my social media so you guys can follow me there. I will leave her social media there for you guys to follow her too. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!